In January of 2018, I visited Grand Teton National Park near Jackson, Wyoming. While I was out driving through the park, I saw these young bull moose. You won't believe
Hey
what they
guys.
did to my truck.
What are you chewing on over there? Huh? What are you chewing on? Don't mess up my truck. What are you doing to my truck? Are you cleaning it? What are you doing? Are you licking it? What is on my truck that you guys like so much? Hmm? Well, I think I need to thank you. Licking my truck for me? That's really nice of you. Well, I am getting a car wash. A la moose. I've got 3 moose here licking my car. I suppose there's salt on the road or something. They're kind of licking the dirt off the sides. This guy keeps banging his head on the glass. His antlers. Well, I got inside my car now because they were working down the side where I was, and that's a little bit dangerous. He would sure be upset if I honked my horn right now. Hey, there we got all 3 of them. There's a vehicle coming up behind me. Spooked him out front. I'm filming this guy in my rearview mirror on the outside so you can see what they're doing. They're just licking all the mud and salts off of my car. Here's doing my mirror. So here's my detail job still going. 1, number 2, and number 3. Don't break my window. I've got this window part way down now, so it's literally right here. I'm not quite sure how to tip these guys when they're done with my detail job.